Hey guys, today's the 6th of December and we're going to South Africa today, so we are super excited. We're going to be meeting our new partners. We're doing a presentation to small businesses, helping them with their digital marketing and their sales. And the next couple of days is going to be really exciting and we can't wait to get over there. I still haven't packed yet, so I better get to it because I know that Grant and Ed are actually on the road at the moment and we've got a flight to catch. So I will catch up with you guys very soon. So I just arrived at Heathrow Airport, just at the bus stop, waiting to put a check-in. So I just arrived at Terminal 3 in Heathrow and just about to check in, and then I'm going to find a ledge in the business lounge somewhere and then I'm going to get my head down and do some work. So we're at the business lounge, Heathrow Terminal 3. You enjoying yourself, Ledge?
Very civilised, very civilised.
Check this place out. Beautiful. Just landed in Johannesburg. Local time is 7:30. Had a couple of hours sleep on the plane, which was good, and now we're going to meet our new South African partners. Very excited. So just finished my presentations, just waiting for Grant to finish his, and our job in South Africa is complete. Enjoyed every second of it, incredible bunch of people, can't wait to come back. So just leaving the hotel, it's our last day in Johannesburg. Beautiful hotel, been here for 2 days presenting, meeting up with our newest partners, and now we're off to the city centre just to have a bit of chill time just before we catch the plane.
I'm currently going to sleep. Just guys, leave me alone.
So we're on our way back to London. It's been an epic couple of days. And Ed is causing carnage.